Hello there everybody, and welcome to today's new YouTube user in the elevator community. This is me, JimLiElevators. I am a new YouTube user in the elevator community, and I'm going to be uploading videos today. And what a better way to celebrate, as you see what's sitting on my chair. This is my Innovation Instructories Inc. elevator button. I got this for my birthday present last couple of years ago, back in 2009. Focus camera. This is for my birthday present that I got back in 2009, and it's an Innovation Instructories Inc. elevator button. It's made by Innovation, which is the kind of fixtures. Alright, right now we're going to switch batteries. Alright, it's out. See, look at this battery. This is a Ryonic battery. Alright, there we go. We're going to replace the new battery in there. Here we go. Alright, now we place the other one in there. Alright, let's see if it works. Yep, it works. Look at that. Now it's so bright. Alright, now that was a demonstration on my Innovation Instructories Incorporated elevator button.
Hello everyone, this is JimLiElevators here on YouTube, and I'm pretty sure you saw that old video that I uploaded for the very ever first time when I opened my YouTube channel exactly 14 years ago today. 14 years, yes, you heard me, 14 years, which means today marks my channel for 14 years now. In other words, my channel has turned officially 14 years old now. So, I just want to take this moment and to thank all of you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I had never thought when I opened this channel this would be a whole worldwide of something that I never believed. And yes, when you saw that clip from 14 years ago, you can tell how different my voice sounded. And I can't believe that video has already been 14 years long now. Gosh, has time flown fast. But anyways, since it's been quite a while since I've showed my very first elevator button, I think it is time for some sort of overview. This is not going to be a totally elaborate video. I'm thinking about saving something special for possibly next year when my channel turns 15 years old, which I promise you I will. So anyways, just for right now, for this 14-year special, I'm only just going to take an updated, long overdue overview of my elevator button samples. See, this is an Innovation Premier Sales Sample elevator fixture, which, if you guys have watched my channel for a very long time, not only have you seen me switch out a dead battery, but what's behind the story behind this elevator button was that one of my classmates in elementary school when I was in 5th grade happened to know someone who works in the elevator industry that gave this to me on my birthday, which is my very ever first elevator button that I have ever collected in my whole entire life, which dates all the way back to 2009. And still today, this thing still lives on with me. As you may know, this elevator button was the very ever first video clip that I'd ever posted on my YouTube channel. And I'm so glad that this thing is still in my hands, safe and sound today. And here is the back side of it. Pretty much the same, nothing has changed. There used to be a 9-volt battery right there, but my father had actually rewired all this kind of stuff. I mean, what do you guys think of this wiring? I mean, I'm sure you have seen a proper video of how to wire this thing in Jason's video, which I'm sure I'll link it in the description below, so you guys can get an idea, or any innovation elevator fixture of all a variety of kinds. But yeah, like I said, there used to be a 9-volt battery, which is where this Velcro is. That used to be taped right here when I first got the button, but because it wasn't staying on for long, we converted into I believe it was 3 volts. I think, yeah, it got to be 3 volts. And my father had rewired some of the stuff, as well as replacing a bulb. You see, the light bulb used to be orange at a time, but we happened to switch it to green LED, which I'm not really sure if the light bulb color is replaceable for a button like this, unless if it's like an older button where you can easily pull. It's not like your standard older elevator button where you have like you have a lamp that you plug in and then you just pull out from the backside. This light is literally mounted onto a circuit board, which it looks something like this on the back. And the innovation sign is upside down. Here's a better view. Anyways, I don't mean to rush, but as soon as I finish this video, I have to leave for a trip, so I cannot miss my transportation. But pause. You want to read it? I wonder what does the A mean? I know W means, I think, white, B means blue, G means green, and R means red. I'm not sure what A stands for. If you can tell me that, that'll be great. So that right there is the wiring connection. Like I said, you can get a full detailed overview in Jason's video. So I just wanted to show you guys my Innovation Premier Sales Sample elevator fixture that I still have in my hands today. Like I said, I'm pretty sure you guys are all very young at that time, but I had this thing since 2009, which for this reason, this is my very ever first elevator button I had ever collected in my hands ever since 2009. My very, very, very ever first. And I'm still lucky. I'm so lucky I still have this, because I cannot believe I was only just a preteen at the time, and now look where I am. I'm literally an adult now. So my gosh, did time fly so fast? But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and close out of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this brief little 14-year special. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Tune in for more contents. It's the year of 2026 now. I got some amazing contents coming in soon. This year is going to be incredible. Like I said in my New Year's video, I already executed one big trip already. So be ready on the lookout within the next week or less, or maybe at least a couple of weeks or something. But my new contents are going to be starting in a not so distant future. So it's going to be during the middle of this month. So get ready, you guys. It's going to be very exciting, as well as some more travel plans. And later this year, America, like I said, America will officially be turning 250 years old. So this is quite a big celebration. And another thing to tell you is that Texas A&M will be celebrating its 150th birthday later this year, as well as Texas Independence Day. That's happening early next month, which will officially be, I believe, I can't remember. I have to see how old Texas is going to be, but it's going to be, I believe at least 20 years older than Texas A&M, as well as since it's been 10 years since I graduated from high school. Goodness, this year is just going to be quite a lot that I'm so looking forward to. So anyways, thank you so much for 14 years. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful and happy early Valentine's Day, as well as a belated happy birthday wish to Alex Stack YouTuber Gloose. So with that being said, thanks so much for watching, and to all of you subscribers for a long time. And that is going to be it.